Now we are moving forward towards the side of paralegal. Let's have a look on the introduction of a paralegal. A paralegal is a legal professional who works under the supervision of a lawyer. They assist lawyers in delivering legal services to their clients. Paralegals perform tasks such as conducting legal research, drafting legal documents, and organizing and managing case files. They play a vital role in supporting lawyers in their legal work, but they are not licensed to practice law or represent clients in the court. Paralegals are required to have a strong understanding of the legal system and must adhere to professional standards and ethical guidelines. While the specific qualifications of paralegals can vary, must have completed a paralegal studies program or possess a degree in related field. Professional standards for paralegals emphasize the importance of integrity, competence, and maintaining client confidentiality. Qualification of a paralegal. To become a paralegal, individuals typically need to complete specific educational requirements. The qualification and steps becomes paralegals are including, first of all, association degree. Most paralegals hold an associate degree in paralegal studies, which generally takes about 2 years to complete. The minimum admission requirements vary from school to school, but typically include a high school diploma. Paralegal can also hold a bachelor's degree in paralegal studies or a related field. Some employers prefer hiring candidates who hold a relevant bachelor's degree. Certification and training. In practice, most paralegals have some combination of formal education and paralegal specific training and certification. This education includes an associate's bachelor's degree in paralegal studies, criminal justice, or a similar field. While certification is not a requisite, it is intended to demonstrate both to the attorney and the public that the paralegal has a formal legal education, has received broad exposure to the issues encountered as a paralegal. Skills development. Paralegals need to develop and maintain certain skills that are essential for the role, such as critical thinking, research skills, organization skills, writing and oral communication skills, and computer and technology skills. These qualifications and training ensure that paralegals are well prepared to support lawyers in delivering legal services to their clients and uphold the high standards of legal profession. Now we are moving forward to the profession side of paralegal. The professional standards and influences of a paralegal are guided by ethical principles, legal regulation, and the responsibilities they uphold within the legal profession. These standards are essential for maintaining the integrity of the legal system and ensuring the fair and just delivery of legal services. The following details highlights the professional standards and influences of paralegal. Ethical guidelines. Paralegals are bounded by a set of ethical guidelines that details their professional conduct. These guidelines commonly include maintaining integrity, professional skills, and dedication to the improvement of legal system. Paralegal must strive to achieve and maintain a high level of competence through education, training, and experiences. Professional responsibilities. Paralegal must use discretion and professional judgment commensurate with knowledge and experience, but must not render independent legal judgment in place of an attorney. They are also required to protect the confidence of a client and must not violate any rule or statute controlling the doctrine or privileged communications between a client and an attorney. Supervision and integrity. Paralegals must perform any task that is properly delegated and supervised by an attorney, as long as the attorney is ultimately responsible to the client, maintain a direct relationship with the client, and assume professional responsibility for the work product. They must also disclose to the employer or prospective employer any pre-existing client or personal relationship professional development. Paralegals are encouraged to maintain high degree of competency through education and training, local rule and practice, and through containing education in substantive areas of law to better assist the legal professional in fulfillment its duty to provide legal service. These professional standards and influences shape the conduct and responsibility of paralegals, emphasizing their role in upholding the law, prompting justice, and serving the best interest of legal profession and the public. Adhering to these standards is essential for maintaining the integrity and trustworthiness of legal profession. Let's talk about the difference between a paralegal and a prosecutor. The primary difference between a prosecutor and a paralegal lies in their role and responsibilities with the legal system. A prosecutor is a licensed attorney who represents the government in criminal cases with the authority to present cases in court and make decisions on behalf of the state. They are responsible for seeking justice and holding individuals accountable for criminal offenses. On the other hand, a paralegal works under the supervision of a lawyer and provides essential support in legal matters, such as conducting research and drafting documents. However, they are not licensed to practice law or represent clients in the court. Let's have a real-life example. In a criminal case, a prosecutor would be responsible for presenting the case against the defendant in court, arguing for enforcement of the law and the imposing of penalties. In the same case, a paralegal working for the prosecution would assist the prosecutor by conducting legal research, organizing evidences, and preparing the necessary documents. This example illustrates the distinct role and responsibilities of a prosecutor and a paralegal within the context of a criminal proceedings. That's all about today's video. So let's meet up in our next video. Till then, goodbye.